If you want to blur a video in Canva, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to create that blurred look without needing any advanced editing software. This is really useful if you want to hide a section of your video, create a soft background effect, cover up private details, or just make your design look more polished and professional. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Canva tips just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, go to Canva and open the video design you want to edit. You can start with an existing project or create a new one if you're working from scratch. Once your video is open, click on the video clip itself so Canva knows which element you want to work with. This step is important because it makes it easier to place effects and overlays directly on top of the right section of your video. Now on the left-hand panel, click on Elements. This is where Canva stores shapes, graphics, overlays, and all kinds of design assets you can use to build your effect. In the search bar, type the word blur. Canva will show you a range of blur-related elements, and what you want to look for is something like a blur gradient or a blur square. These elements work great for creating a blurred visual layer over part of your video. Once you find one you like, click it to add it to your design. After that, place it over the area of the video that you want to blur. You can cover a face, text, background detail, or any section that needs to be softened or hidden. Then adjust the size and position so it fits neatly over the video area. You can drag the corners to make it larger or smaller and move it exactly where you want it. If the blur effect looks too strong or too light, don't worry. Canva gives you a simple way to control the intensity. Click on transparency and reduce the opacity until the blur looks right for your video. Lower transparency can make the effect softer and more blended, while higher transparency can make it more visible. Keep adjusting until you get the result you want. If needed, you can also duplicate the blur element and use it in multiple places throughout your video. That's helpful if you want to blur several sections without repeating the process from scratch each time. You can keep refining the size, placement, and transparency until everything looks clean and intentional. And that's it. You've now learned how to blur video in Canva using a simple overlay method that works fast and gives you a professional looking result. It's an easy trick, but it can make a big difference in your final video. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Canva tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.